Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna share how to make sentence with the proud. Okay, ဒီနေ့ကတော့PROUD proud ဆိုတဲ့စကားလုံးနဲ့ဝါကြဖွဲ့ပြမှာပါ Okay ကျွန်တော်ကတော့ဘယ်လိုဝါကြဖွဲ့ပြမလဲဆိုတော့ဒီမင်းအမှန်တရားကိုပြောဖို့မကြောက်တော့ဘူးငါအရန်ကောင်းယူတယ် Okay အဲ့ဒါဆိုရင်ငါအရန်ကောင်းယူတယ်ဆိုတော့ I'm so proud that you're not afraid to tell the truth မင်းအမှန်တရားကိုပြောဖို့မကြောက်ဘူးဆိုတော့ you're not afraid to tell the truth Okay, I'm so proud you're not afraid to tell the truth. Okay, man. I'm not there to be a young community. Okay, now the cool jealous. GELOUS jealous and number of no? Okay, I know watch out for Yamano, but blue watch out for to my chan. Do your chanta Joe Mugo to Maga the number of Okay, and she was jealous of his way of his. To yes or his when so that chanta joa okay also to know both joa mona okay the new nene mona go ye the scale to that on so in the vocabulary they go watch out for and 20 yamama 30 yamama okay thank you for your watching see you next video